Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress CMS. We'll begin by understanding what WordPress is and why it's so widely used. It powers more than 40% of all websites on the internet, making it an incredibly popular choice for various online presences. Whether you're looking to start a simple blog, an extensive e-commerce store, or a professional business site, WordPress provides the tools you need. We'll explore both the hosted and self-hosted options available to you. Next, let's get your WordPress site up and running. First, you'll need to select a good web hosting provider and register a memorable domain name. Many hosts offer a convenient one-click WordPress installation, which simplifies the process significantly. Alternatively, you can perform a manual installation using FTP. Once installed, complete the initial configuration by setting your site's title, tagline, and other fundamental preferences to personalize your online presence. Now that your site is set up, it's time to create engaging content and make it look great. WordPress uses a powerful block editor, allowing you to easily add text, images, and other media to your posts and pages. You can dramatically change your site's look and feel by choosing from thousands of themes and customizing them through the WordPress customizer. Furthermore, extend your site's capabilities with plugins, adding features like contact forms or search engine optimization. Finally, let's discuss how to manage and maintain your WordPress site effectively. Regular updates to the WordPress core, themes, and plugins are crucial for security and performance. Always back up your entire website, including files and the database, to safeguard against any unforeseen issues. Monitoring your site's performance and security will help ensure a smooth and reliable experience for all your visitors, keeping your online presence robust and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.